Hello, one of our lovely members has asked me to show how to do a French knot left-handed, so let me try. So I'm holding the hoop with my right hand and I'm going to bring my needle up where I want the French knot to be with my stitching hand, which is my left hand, and then I'm going to hold the needle parallel to the fabric, and I'm going to use my right hand to wrap the thread down and around the needle nearish to the tip. And you're just kind of holding on the tension there so that the knot stays in place. And see how my right hand's holding with tension. My stitching hand, I'll just back up a bit and poke my needle down into the fabric just beside where I came up. And then I straighten up the needle and pull on more tension with my right hand. And I'm just going to poke the needle down a bit further so that I can actually let go and I'm still holding on with my right hand. Okay, so you've got your tension held on with your right hand. Now I'm going to poke the needle down a bit further with my left hand, and then I'm going to reach underneath to grab the needle. And I'm going to draw it all the way through. Now I don't want to hold on too much tension that I'm choking the needle. And I'm just going to give it a little swivel as I try to pull it down to the underside. I am using 6 strands of floss here so that it's more visible. And I'm not used to using my left hand, but there we go. I've pulled the needle to the underside, and when that tail of thread goes through, it's a bit trickier. Now I can